For a simple piece that's gorgeous both day and night, Dekor Premium Cast LED post caps are just for you. Made in the USA from 1/4 inch thick aluminum, these powder-coated caps are completely water and weatherproof, salt, air, and hail resistant, all while protecting your post from rot and damage. Available in either a pyramid or flat top design, style doesn't have to come second to substance with these heavy-duty caps. Choose from 4 rich finishes: the glossy hammered white and dark copper vein, as well as the matte antique black and oil rubbed bronze. If a light on every post isn't the look you want, choose from identical lit and unlit options for a symmetrical style that's totally your own. Manufactured to fit most standard post and sleeve dimensions, with sizes ranging from a nominal 4x4 up to the larger 6x6 opening, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your deck. These rugged caps come with a 5-foot lead to seamlessly reach down your post and connect with your hub below. With Dekor's plug-and-play electrical system, there's no struggle or guesswork to installation. Using a simple male to female connector, it really is as easy as plug and play. Forget the trouble of splicing wires or polarity issues. This system is completely user-friendly and creates waterproof seals instantly. Inside the cap is Cree LED technology, the most trusted name in the LED industry, so you can guarantee a superior light performance with a long life. These caps come with either 4 or 6 LED lights per side depending on the cap size. However, they can be customized to any sides you do or don't want lit. Simply remove any LED strips you desire from inside the cap. The beauty of these post caps is that they illuminate out, providing a glow to the area, while also shining down the post for an accent that isn't glaring. Also available are matching rail and step lights for an all-around safe and polished look for your deck. Because these post caps are sand casted, no two caps are going to be exactly the same. Backed by a 30-year warranty on all finishes and a 10-year warranty on all lighting components, these caps will be there through the late summer nights and early winter mornings year after year. Mounting these premium post caps is as easy as ever with no installation screws or drilling. Simply apply a bit of silicone adhesive to the 4 tabs inside the cap. This, combined with the solid weight of the fixture, will provide a durable and long-lasting mount. There's no better feeling than coming home after a long day to enjoy some peace and quiet on your deck. Relax in style with Dekor Premium Cast post caps in your outdoor space. Quality you can trust, beauty you can see. These caps, lit and unlit, can be found right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Travis. I'm one of the content specialists here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.